In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update LinkedIn job seeking preferences. If you want to make sure LinkedIn reflects your current job search status and preferences, this is a simple setting to review. Keeping this section updated can help improve the kinds of opportunities you see and can also help recruiters understand what you're looking for. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your profile. This is your main personal page where your experience, skills, and career details are displayed. Starting from your profile is helpful because it gives you a clear point of reference before moving into your account settings. Once you're on LinkedIn, click on the Me option at the top of the page. This is where LinkedIn groups together your personal account options, profile access, and settings. If you're using a desktop browser, you'll usually find it in the top navigation bar. Clicking there will open a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is the area where LinkedIn lets you manage how your account works, what information is visible, and how your data is used. It's a good section to become familiar with, especially if you want more control over your account preferences and visibility. After that, click on Data Privacy. This section focuses on how LinkedIn handles your information and what parts of your activity or preferences are used across the platform. Since job-seeking preferences can affect how recruiters and the system interpret your profile, this is the right place to make updates. Now, look for the job-seeking preferences settings and adjust them as needed. This is where you can review and update the information tied to your job search activity. Take a moment to check that everything here matches your current goals. For example, if your availability, interest level, or general job search preferences have changed, this is the section where you'll want to make sure those updates are reflected. As you make changes, it's a good idea to be accurate and intentional. Updated preferences can help LinkedIn better align your experience with relevant opportunities, while outdated settings may lead to less useful recommendations. Once you've finished adjusting your job-seeking preferences, review your selections one more time to make sure everything looks right. Keeping these settings current is a small step, but it can make your LinkedIn profile work more effectively for your job search. And that's it. You've successfully updated your LinkedIn job-seeking preferences.